If you're anything like me, this time of year, I'm craving nothing but peppermint and chocolate. So I'm gonna show you a recipe that is so simple, you don't have to know your way around the kitchen at all to have it come out perfect every single time.
This recipe starts with a bag of store-bought kettle corn. Start by placing the entire bag on a lined cookie sheet and spread out the kernels. Next, melt your favorite type of dark chocolate. I'm using Peppermint because they're always so kind to me and send me free product all the time. Once you've layered some dark chocolate on top of all of those kettle corn kernels, go in with some white chocolate. I've did about 2/3 dark chocolate, 1/3 white chocolate, just because we are using the sweetened kettle corn and white chocolate is sweeter than the dark chocolate is. Next, we're going in with crushed up candy canes. Crushed up candy canes are a lot more inexpensive than buying them pre-crushed at the grocery store. So just buy a couple boxes and break them down in either a food processor or a Ziploc baggie. After that, we're just gonna stick this into the freezer for a couple of minutes until the chocolate gets nice and hard. And then you just break it up. You can leave it super chunky, or you can break it down into individual kernels. It's truly up to you. Use your individual expression here and do what feels right to you. After it's all broken into the pieces that you desire, you're gonna go back in with some of those crushed candy canes and give it another good sprinkle. Remember that chocolate and peppermint combination is what's so reminiscent around the holidays, and it's really the staple to this recipe. So the more, the merrier when it comes to the crushed up candy canes. Give it one more good toss, and then that's it. You're done.
This stuff is so tasty. All you do is store it in a jar or put it out in a bowl and just snack on it all week long. It's so good. It's salty, it's sweet. It has that little bit of peppermint to it, which is so reminiscent of the holidays. I just think it's so cute to just kind of have around the house, but also if you're somebody who's not a big baker, but you want to make something homemade, it's such a simple recipe. So give it a try. Let me know what you think. And yeah, just enjoy it. It's so simple and I'm sure you'll love it.